it's gonna be a great day in Bayview. Okay. Okay. Why isn't it working? Something's wrong with the internet. Oh well, I'll just refresh it. Oh, I get disconnected. Finally, I got it to work. Let's get the classic family. Woohoo! We're gonna have a great day in Bayview. Oh no! Something's wrong with the TV. Let's sit down and watch. Oh no, not the news! Come on, TV. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm a busy. Oh no! There's a tornado. There's a tornado warning for Bayview. Oh no! Tornado! Let's turn off all the lights and take action. I don't want to be on the second floor. Where is the safe way? Oh, maybe over there? Thank goodness there's a basement. Oh, there's no space. Oh no! Tornado warning! Wait! Can I? Oh, thank goodness I had a basement in this classic family. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Oh no! The camera is broken. The camera was broken because of the tornado. Now some are gray, some still have their color. Tornado! I don't need this tennis ball. Okay. Bye everyone!